Good evening, everybody. This will be the last update for Dorian tonight, just based on the fact that it's bedtime. Things are quiet. Probably can't see me very well. It's dark out. We still have power. The neighborhood has power. There we go. You can see me a little bit. Still pretty windy. In fact, the winds were really kicking up a while ago. So we're getting ready to go to bed. We were in there playing cards for a little bit. The storm's 100 or so miles, or right around 100 or so miles, just off the coast of Cape Canaveral, the eye of the storm. There was a buoy out there that measured 90 mile per hour wind and 32-foot seas off the coast of Cape Canaveral. But once again, that was a buoy that was, I believe they said 60 to 80 miles, I can't remember off the top of my head, miles off of shore. So right now, everything's pretty quiet. The winds have kicked up. We've definitely heard some strong wind gusts while we've been in the house with the trees and just the wind in general. But really, we have lucked out. So this is when they say it's supposed to be the worst, is overnight. But honestly, if this is the worst, then this is definitely not the worst storm we've been through. But once again, lucking out as we have due to this storm moving more in an easterly direction versus the northwest that it was originally moving once it was in the Bahamas. So that spared us and everybody else here on the coast of Florida, really. So hopefully things stay good through the night. We don't lose power. If we can make it through the night, tomorrow should be a pretty good day, as we'll just have the last remaining remnants of the storm passing by. But the biggest part of the storm is passing by our east coast right now, and everything is pretty good. So we'll keep it short and sweet tonight. Pretty quiet. It's raining, not raining hard by any means, but it is raining. The winds are low right now. Couple gusts here and there, but nothing that isn't any worse than a severe thunderstorm any other day. We'll see what tonight brings. So I wish everybody the best. I hope everybody stays safe out there, and I'll check back in with you tomorrow and let you know how things went through the night. But we've really lucked out. Have a great night, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow.